Hi, my name is Morgan Thorne, and I'm a BDSM educator. Thank you for your interest in the Play Piercing 101 class. In this class, you are going to learn everything you need to know to get started with play piercing. We are going to start out with the safety considerations, including a brief overview of medical aseptic technique or clean technique, and this will teach you how to create a sterile field to work from. We're going to talk about all of the supplies you need, both for getting your sterile field set up, as well as any antiseptics and PPE that you may need as well. We're going to learn the difference between clean, disinfected, and sterile. This is a personal pet peeve of mine, so you guys are going to learn the difference between them. We are going to talk about the layers of the skin and appropriate needle holding technique and needle placement within the skin. We will, of course, talk about how to choose your needles for play piercing. There are a lot of options out there, and we'll talk about the different things you need to know to choose the ones that are going to be right for your scene. We'll talk about two very basic techniques for piercing, two different methods to do your piercings, and that way you can master these techniques before moving on to more advanced ones. We'll also talk about how to deal with nervous bottoms and first-timers if your partner is just exploring play piercing for the first time. And of course, we will wrap up with wound care and aftercare, some things that you may want to take into consideration. So once again, thank you very much for your interest in Play Piercing 101, and I'll see you in class.